Hello and welcome to the Wealthy Trades Daily Market Forecast for April 21st, 2015. I'm actually taping this the day before, the night before that. I apologize for not taping a video today. I actually did tape a video this morning, but we had some data issues with our import, and we wanted to make sure we had only posted updated information, so I apologize. This is actually going to be the forecast for Tuesday and the week. All right. For those that did watch the video that I posted this morning, it was up for a little while. I called out a long in BCR. And BCR was up about 1.4%, and we did a pairs trade and short in the XLV. So it was up, probably about 0.35, 0.4%, so not bad. But again, we're only going to post things and keep things on the site that are off of good data. We had some data issues, so I apologize for that. But let's get rolling. Let's dive right in. We obviously had a rally today. Nice rally. Didn't quite get all the gains back that we lost on Friday, and that's the reason why we're in a downtrend. So you might be wondering, why are we in a downtrend? The reason why is because, again, Friday we had such an aggressive sell-off that we shifted. We actually went below key pivot lows on a lot of the stocks within the S&P 500. So I want to show you this, what I mean by this. All right, so because of the big sell-off on Friday, we actually closed below the closing price. So this was the pivot that we had to stay above. It was 208.10. Well, Friday we closed at 207.96, so we just closed slightly above that. Now what's happening? Look at here. Now we're going back up. We're having kind of going back into that shift area, and we're probably, all right, probably going to look to have another leg down. Now, nice thing about this pattern right here is that we get a snapback rally, is that it gives us a very tight range to play for a nice down move. All right, we get a nice down move with this range, probably down to 204 or lower, and we could put our stops real tight up to 211, so we can get a nice risk to reward swing trade, go short, and this is something that I'm going to be looking to do on a swing basis. Go short. I think you can put your stop right above 211, 10 or so. And I think you could probably look for a target down to actually probably down to about the 201 area. So risk to reward looks good. But that you might be wondering, well, why are we in a downtrend? Because of the huge range we put in on Friday, closed below major pivots. Therefore, we are now in a downtrend. But the quality is not all that good. Okay, so we're in a downtrend, yes, but the quality is not all that great. So what do? Well, we need to do a pairs trade. Okay, so the quality is 36.3, so we don't want to just blindly go short. But what we want to do is we want to find shorting opportunities in the worst sector, or in the sector that gives us the best opportunities, and that's the XLY, all right, based on the quality. So we're going to look for shorting opportunities in the XLY. All right, so I'm bringing all these stocks over into my portfolio. I'm going to go through this fairly quickly. Also, this week, I've got to say this week we've got some amazing earnings plays. I've got 2 or 3 that I'm going to be calling out tomorrow. I've got another 2 or 3 on Wednesday, and probably 3 or 4 on Thursday. It's going to be a jam-packed week, and those will go out to subscribers only. Like I said in other videos, this is the next 30 days is the 30 days you really want to subscribe and lock in that $74 a month lifetime subscription rate. It will go up to $99 after we get to 1,000 members, and you'll also get the options course that I'm putting together that should be done in the next week and a half, 2 weeks. It's going to be a $1,000 course. After we're done with after 1,000 members, we're going to put that on our website. It's going to be sold for $1,000. The first 1,000 subscribers get it absolutely free. Okay. And you get my earnings alerts, and this week you'll see a whole lot of them. So again, subscribe right away, lock in that low rate, and get all that free stuff. So just got to get that in. Let's look for the best shorting opportunity for tomorrow, though. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate anything that doesn't have a levels to win profit on both sides. This tells me is, well, for example, CBS closed at 61.20. The trend side, because it's moving down, is 60.75. Counter trend side is 61.65. Has a much higher probability of hitting the counter trend side. That's good. And when it hits this level, historically, it makes money. When it hits this level, historically, it ends up bouncing off of that and going lower. So we want to see that it makes money historically on Tuesdays in a downtrend when it's traded. So that's what we want to see. And again, we're going to eliminate anything that doesn't make money on both sides. Okay. So like PVH, get rid of it because it doesn't make money on both sides. RCL, get rid of it. TWC, get rid of it. Comcast is good, and NWSA. Okay, so now we've got it paired down to these. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look for the largest spread between the trend side. So this levels on levels tells me how often it closes below this level, and this levels on levels over here, because it's a counter trend, tells me how often it closes above this. So we want to see a wide spread, a large number here and a small number here, a wide spread there. So the larger the better. So obviously the XLY isn't great. It closes above the counter trend more than it closes below the trend. So we want to get rid of that. CBS, it's got about a 23% spread. Okay, great. That's wider than HD, so gonna get rid of HD. It's wider than JWN. Yep, wider than JWN. Wider than Comcast. And not wider than NWSA. So NWSA has the widest spread. What we know about NWSA is this. Closed at 1564. It's moving down. So that means the downtrend side is 1552. Upside is 1578. For tomorrow, it's got a 57% chance of hitting the downside, which is what we want because we're going to short. When it hits that, it makes money. When it hits the counter trend side, it typically bounces off and closes lower. That's what we want because we're shorting. And it meets all our requirements. So NWSA is the best shorting opportunity, all right? We're going to pair that because the quality is not great, okay? The quality of the market, this downtrend, is not great, so we want to do a pairs trade. So we're going to go in and go long the best sector, okay? So the best sector that we can go long. So we're going short in the XLY and the best stock in the XLY, and we're going to go long the best sector in an uptrend, which is the XLE, which is the energy sector. So now we're going to find a stock to pair that with and find a long opportunity, okay? So I'm moving all these stocks over into my portfolio. And so now, so NWSA is our long opportunity. So now I'm going to use the same pair down technique. Anything that doesn't make money, I'm going to just get rid of. Okay? So if it doesn't make money on both sides, I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm just pairing this down. And I'm going to find the best long opportunity within the XLE. Okay, so we got it paired down to these. Now I'm looking for the widest spread. So this spread's 23 or so. That's more than APC. It's more than CNX. It's more than, yeah, it's more than DO. But it's not more than RRC. So RRC is the best long opportunity. So what we're going to do for tomorrow, all right, tomorrow morning is Tuesday. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go short NWSA. I can add at these two positions, 1552. I can short there or short at 1578. Those are good shorting opportunities historically. So I'm going to short NWSA and I'm going to go long RRC. That is my play for tomorrow. Pairs trade, long RRC at the open, short NWSA. I'm going to hold all day long, close at the end of the day. The reason why I'm doing a pairs trade is because we are in a downtrend, but the quality of that downtrend is not great. Okay, so that is the day trade for tomorrow, long RRC, short NWSA. Now, let's talk about the weekly trade. The weekly trade, we're going to do a pairs trade this week because, again, the quality is not above 50%. The quality is at 42.4. So we're going to find the best stock in the best sector. So the XLP is the best sector. And we're going to find the worst stock or the best stock to short in the sector that's in a downtrend, which is the XLE. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to move all these stocks into my portfolio. And all those stocks into my portfolio, and then I'm going to find the best. Then I got to make sure I click a weekly. I'm going to find the best opportunity to go long on a weekly basis. I'm going to use the same pair method. If it loses money, I'm going to get rid of it. Okay. So I'm just going to get rid of this. I'm just going to pair this down. We're going to find the best long opportunity, and we're going to pair that with the best short opportunity. That's what we're going to do. All right. Okay, so I got it paired down to these. Now I'm just going to look at the spread. So this spread here is 44 and 11. It's better than that. It's better than that. And it's better than that. So our long is going to be KR. Okay, so now we got to pair that with a short opportunity in the XLE. So now we're going to go and I'm going to take all the stocks in the XLE and I'm going to move those into my portfolio. Okay. So So I'm moving all these stocks into my portfolio, looking for something that I can pair this with, just like we're doing on a daily basis. Remember, on a daily basis, we're going long NWSA, or I'm sorry, we're going short NWSA, and we're going long RRC. Well, all right, on the weekly basis, we got to find out what we're going to do. So I'm going to eliminate anything that doesn't make money on both sides. Okay. So if it doesn't make money on both sides, oh, NWSA is my day trade, so RRC is my day trade too. All right, so get rid of that one. Rig's good. RRC is my day trade, so I'll keep that. SWN is good. KR is my long position. CNX. And okay, so we got it paired down here now. So DO, I'm going to compare DO, the spread. It's only, what, 7? Well, ESV is better than DO. All right, let's look at ESV. 32.19 compared to 30. That's about the same, right? Let's look at that compared to S. It's about the same there, too. So, let's see here. RRC is our day trade. So we are going to, let's see, we've got 13 there, about 13 there. So rig. Okay, SWN is better than rig, and the reason why is because it as you can see, rig hits the trend side, all right, it's trend side 48.1% of the time, whereas SWN hits 51.9%. So SWM has a tendency of hitting the downside trend more than rig. So I'm going to go with SWN, and let's compare these two here. I'm going to go with SWN. SWN is going to be my short opportunity. All right, so for the week, we're going to go long KR, okay? And KR actually ended up closing down today, so you're getting a better price. And SWN ended up break even. So this is still a valid trade even though tomorrow's Tuesday. Long KR, short SWN, hold all week, close at the end of the week. For tomorrow's day trade, we're going to go long RRC, short NWSA, hold all day, close at the end of the day. And then for the month, as you know, we are long the XLV, the healthcare sector, and the best stock we're in the healthcare sector is CAH. Those are the trades. Again, I'm going to be sending out alerts tomorrow on a couple stocks. I'll give you a little hint. One of them is going to be a burrito company. I'm going to be sending out some specific plays. They're going to be great. Make sure you know how to watch these videos under the resource tab. Each day I post these under the resource tab in the podcast section. Make sure you watch these, okay? Also, do not let your trial expire. I'm telling you, it's $74 a month. It's a no-brainer. Nobody shows you the market the way we show you the market. Nobody. Nobody out there ranks stocks the way we rank stocks. We literally give you where's the market moving? Is it good? And then we give you, okay, if the market's moving down, in the XLY, these are the best 8 stocks to focus on. We give you the best 8 stocks in all 9 sectors every day, every week, every month. Nobody does that. $74 a month. You're going to get our options course, which is a $1,000 course, and you're going to get our earnings alerts, which is absolutely huge. So again, do not let your subscription, your trial subscription expire. Sign up today, and if you do sign up, then you don't have to worry because your trial subscription, let's say you have a week left on your trial subscription, well, that's okay because you'll get your trial subscription, and then your subscription will kick in, and then you'll have 30 days. So it's your trial subscription plus 30 days. So let me know if you have any questions. Email me at info@wealthytrades.com. Let's make it a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.